These last 2 months have honestly changed my life, my business, everything about what I do as just a sole trader or an entrepreneur. I've started an eBay store last month and it's just really kicked off really well. I'm extremely grateful, and yeah, my life has kind of changed. A couple of years back, working 3 jobs, trying to save up money, spend the money on stuff to be able to review on YouTube. I grew this channel, worked genuinely so hard for it. So many struggles along the way, genuine struggles. Through this, I've learned so much. Love to be able to talk about everything that I've genuinely learned along the way. The last couple of months, so last month I started an eBay store, a whole bunch of different entrepreneurial activities. Facebook Marketplace was doing really well for me, and I really started taking it seriously probably a couple months ago. And I just noticed there was a really good niche for just used games. And I used to go to the exchange shop a lot and stuff like that. And I just figured out a way that I could get games for a really good price, using games that I'm not really using around the house that I probably bought previously. You trade them in and then you can get stuff for people that they actually want. But I learned this through Facebook Marketplace. There was a guy that actually said to me, if you actually trade in things that aren't being used, I worked out stuff that's undervalued for stuff that is valuable to other people, then it's a potential to make money. It's something clicked at that moment. It was a Facebook sale where 4 or 5 Nintendo Switch games for this guy. And he goes to me, I trade in all these Just Dance Nintendo Switch games. It's sort of upgrading the stock in a way. So that was something that I really picked up from that guy. And it was just incredible. And that flipped a switch in my head. And then I started buying stuff that no one was using and then just upgrading the stock. And it really worked straight away, and it really clicked. Started trading in a whole bunch of electronics that I wasn't even using, like keyboards, all sorts, games that nobody was playing, traded them in, upgraded to games like Tears of the Kingdom, for example. And then I would be able to sell them for a little bit lower than the retail cost, but still make money because the difference worked out so well. So it just worked out so well. So then I started doing that, and that really helped me grow this from zero. Even before that, I started the eBay store and I was just selling stuff that I just had all these Game Boy Advance box games that I wasn't even playing. For example, I've got a boxed Pokemon Emerald. I'm gonna fix this up and get the game, get the manual, put it all together and send it off. And I'm very, very excited for it. And just fix them up, put them all together and then resell. Stuff like that, and then you can actually make money. Just stuff around the house. Op shops as well, I've been finding so much. For example, on Monday I found a Breaking Bad DVD collection. I found it for $15 and then I was managed to sell it on the day for $30. So there's genuinely so much stuff out there, and it just opens your eyes to the world. It is just incredible. So I'm really grateful. I really, it's changed everything for me. I just genuinely can't believe it. 2 months in, not even 2 months in, I've made $6,000. And every single day, it's just been orders. And it's just been incredible and I'm extremely grateful. What I would do is, if something sells, I would relist it straight away and just refine the product again. Whether it's through Kmart, just up the road, there's a whole bunch of shops. You can find Hot Wheels. I got into Hot Wheels and just finding it again. And people love that stuff. And there's stuff that people can't get to in certain parts of Australia or the world. They don't have the access to these things. Maybe they're on a farm, maybe they're really rural, and they just don't have the access to things that they actually want. And because what I'm doing, I'm actually getting things for people that they actually want, if that makes sense. So people have been really receptive to that. Honestly, 99% of the feedback has actually been positive. I'm getting people the games that they want. I'm getting people the toys that they want. I'm extremely fulfilled by it. Other people are extremely fulfilled by it. I put personal notes in it. If they give good feedback, I send them a message and I just say, I'm so happy that you're happy as well. it's just been good for everyone all around. There's been a few, not mistakes along the way, but a lot of learning lessons, like things might have gotten damaged, like postal addresses. Like you learn about different ways to send packages, whether it's through Ozpost or Sendle, how you can send packages to send things like people have PO boxes and stuff like that, so you can't send it through certain things. You can only send it through Ozpost if you want to send it to PO boxes, for example. That's been a big learning lesson, just learning about different companies that send different types of packages. Like you don't know this before you start eBay. What to do if people can't get the packages, for example, that's been a lesson. So you just go through the company and you can actually redirect packages. That's been a big learning lesson that I've found out for the first time. This is like my whole thing of just Hot Wheels collection. So I bought this for like $4 from Kmart and it's just been great. Definitely a life changer. Also like how to just get rid of stock that isn't working for you. Dead stock, for example, you could either trade it up, sell it in a lot, for example. Like had a whole bunch of games, I could just bundle them together and actually just sell them off. You learn along the way what works, what doesn't work for each person as well. If something isn't naturally receptive, then don't sell it again. Lilo and Stitch DVD. It's had a little bit of reception, but probably won't sell again. Maybe Crash Bash has had a really good reception, so I'll probably restock this item and rebuy it again. Along the way with like what people want, like even the DVDs, like the DVD collections do really well. Some Blu-rays do really well, but some just don't do really well, and you just got to learn as you go. Man, there's just other things that I've been able to do because of eBay. Like I've been able to reinvest, like been able to complete either Pokemon Emerald or get like this Pokemon Nintendo 64. Like I just couldn't make the money to be able to reinvest, and it's just been a consistent reinvestment back into it. But it's just been so worth it. Yeah, so I've definitely learned a lot along the way. I'm genuinely actually really happy overall with the whole thing. You learn as you go with different packaging. You learn different tips and tricks as you go. But overall, like it's a learning experience for everyone. Man, it's been nothing but mostly positive on my end with eBay, to be fair. It's definitely changed my life. So if you just want to start a good side hustle, eBay is definitely what I would recommend for a lot of people, just to start getting rid of stuff around the house. Just start with what you have. And then you can reinvest that money and start doing other things with that money, if that makes sense. So you don't have to start with absolute like out of pocket money. You could just start selling stuff that you've already got. You know, people have hidden treasures around the house. Like I had a battery pack for a Canon camera that I just wasn't using in my closet that I found, sold it on the day for like 35 bucks. So you can just find all that stuff just laying around and then reinvest that money into products that you do a lot of research with, look at sell-through rates and all that sort of stuff as you go. So yeah, it's just been positive all around. So I don't know, I just want to share this quick video just talking about eBay and how much I've been enjoying it. It's done really well for me, so give it a go, guys. What's wrong with just giving things a go in life?